Hello, my name is Rhys Williams and I'm one of the community pharmacists here in Cardiff. This time of year it's common for seasonal colds and respiratory viruses to circulate in our communities, and the news around the invasive strain of Strep A will undoubtedly cause anxiety for many, especially parents and guardians of young children. If your child has a minor illness such as sore throat or is exhibiting cold symptoms, your community pharmacies are here to help. If you're not sure about your symptoms, you can visit NHS 111 Wales online. Alternatively, you can visit your local community pharmacy where we can discuss these symptoms with you, provide a clinical assessment and offer expert advice on the appropriate treatment for you. Typically, most sore throats are the result of a viral infection and will not require the use of antibiotics and can be managed effectively at home with over-the-counter medications such as paracetamol, lots of fluids and rest. However, if your child's sore throat appears to be more severe and they have symptoms of scarlet fever, vomiting and a red sandpaper textured rash, you're advised to contact your GP and not your community pharmacist. If you'd like to speak to your community pharmacist or find out more about the services you can access, please visit NHS 111 Wales or the Cardiff and Vale University Health Board website.